Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are good. Today we have to derive formula 3. This is the derived formula. A plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus 2b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. For the derivation of a plus b plus c whole square, I have taken left hand side here, and as you have seen there are 3 terms. I am going to take first 2 terms, a plus b equals to t, and next step is to substitute a plus b with t. A plus b is being substituted with t and plus c as it is. Now this 3 term value is now transformed into 2 terms. Now we can easily put formula of perfect square on this form. Let's start. Here I am going to apply formula of a plus b whole square, that is equals to a square, the square of first term, plus 2ab, 2 into first term into second term, plus b square, the second term, square of the second term. The next step is to expand it. Before that, resubstitute value of t with a plus b. The value of t is a plus b. It would be a plus b whole square plus 2 into t is a plus b into c as it is plus c square. Again we can apply formula on this. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Again formula of perfect square is applied, plus 2 c into a plus b. I have just arranged them, plus c square. Next step is to expand these brackets. A square plus 2ab plus b square plus 2c will be multiplied with a, so 2ac plus 2c will be multiplied with b, so it would be 2bc plus c square. Now arrange them. Single terms of squared values will be written first. This is the squared value, this is squared value, and the last one is squared value. So I am going to write a square plus b square plus c square first, and then 2ab plus 2bc, and then at the last 2ca. You can either write it ac or ca, both are same, but I have converted it into ca as it was mentioned in the formula. So let's check. A square plus b square plus c square is equal to 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. So I have derived this form, hence I can say this is the right hand side. Hence it is proved that left hand side is equals to right hand side. Now come to next formula. This is again a derived formula. A plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3ab plus into a plus b cube. For that formula, as you know that cube is the product of square and the value itself. I am going to write it here. Cube is the product of square of the value and itself and the value itself. So I'm going to apply this here. First I'm taking left hand side, that is a plus b whole cube, and then I will apply the product of the value, that is a plus b, and square of the value is a plus b whole square with the value itself, and the value is a plus b. Now a plus b perfect square make a formula, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square and a plus b as the multiple. Now multiply them. A will multiply with this whole factor and then b will multiply this whole factor. I am going to write it here. This a will be multiplied by the a square plus 2ab plus b square, and then this plus sign comes here, and b will multiply with this whole expression, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now multiply it. A into a square, a cube, plus 2 into a square, b, plus a and b square. So multiplication is ab square plus b multiply with a square will become a square b plus this b multiplied with this term, and we can get a b square plus b into b square is b cube. Next step is to arrange all values. 2a square b and 2a square b. Yes, this one and this one can be added. A cube plus 2a square b plus a square b, and these two have same variables, 2ab square plus ab square, and at the last b cube. A cube plus, when there is no coefficient, it means there is one coefficient. 2 plus 1, 2a square b plus 1a square b is 3a square b. Same 2ab square, 1ab square is 3ab square plus b cube. Now next step is to take common. I am going to take a cube as it is. We can take common from these central two terms. 3a and b is common. 3ab is common. Here we have a in the bracket plus 3ab is common, and we have left with b in the bracket, b cube. And let's check. A cube plus 3ab plus into a plus b cube, same as the right hand side of the expression, this equation. So we can write it that left hand side is equals to right hand side. This is done for today. We'll see you soon, inshallah.